crashing on my best friend's couch, running high but I was coming down. I was watching all my luck run out each night, always waiting for the perfect place and time, walking in and out of old dive bars down on Hollywood Boulevard, talking to strangers under bright red neon lights, trying to pick up all the pieces of my life. I swore that I was done, 'cause nothing seemed to last. I had a broken heart and couldn't fill those cracks. I threw it all away. I never thought that I could love somebody, but then I saw those big green eyes and it all came rushing back. The way you turned and smiled, I never felt like that till you came walking in. I never thought that I could love somebody again. I just couldn't get you out of my head, and I've never fallen quite like this. Now I never wanna know what life feels like, 'cause without you everything wouldn't feel as right. Oh, I waited, but never saw you coming. I gave up the chase, 'cause I thought that there was no one to make me believe that there's somebody I wanna spend the rest of my life with. Oh, I swore that I was done, 'cause nothing seemed to last. I had a broken heart and couldn't fill those cracks. I threw it all away. I never thought that I could love somebody, but then I saw those big green eyes and it all came rushing back. The way you turned and smiled, I never felt like that till you came walking in. I never thought that I could love somebody again. Love somebody again. I never thought I'd love somebody again. I swore that I was done, 'cause nothing seemed to last. That's when you turned and smiled. I never felt like that. Yeah, you came walking in, and now I know that I can love somebody again.